Create an automated data input system from WhatsApp to Google Sheets that is already integrated with AI. Want to input data into Google Sheets? You just need to type it in WhatsApp and send it, then the data will be entered automatically. The input format is also flexible because it is already integrated with AI. So you can also use your everyday language, guys. If you want to request a report, just type daily report and the daily report will be sent right away. If you want a weekly report, just type weekly report and send it, and the weekly report will also be sent immediately. You can also set a budget, check your balance, and what's even cooler, you can correct any data you've already entered if there's a mistake. You just need to type change followed by the transaction ID and then type what you want to change. After that, just send it and boom, the data will be changed right away according to what you want without needing to edit it manually. If you want to delete data, you don't need to bother going into Google Spreadsheet, just type delete followed by the transaction ID and send it. After that, you can confirm and the data will be deleted automatically. Also, you can interact with the AI inside it. For example, if you want to ask what was the biggest expense this month, just send the question and the data will be sent to your WhatsApp. What's even cooler is that now it supports receipts. So if you have a shopping or food receipt, you just need to take a photo and send the receipt to WhatsApp and boom, it will be automatically entered into the Google Spreadsheet, so you don't need to type it in manually. Hello, Assalamualaikum, welcome to the Level Up ID channel. In this video, we will update the data input system from WhatsApp to Google Spreadsheet very easily. In the previous video, we already discussed the data input system from WhatsApp to Google Spreadsheet and you can use it for free. But unfortunately, the WhatsApp gateway that we used before can no longer be used. And in this video, we will upgrade the script that we use and we will use the latest WhatsApp gateway, which is more powerful and also more stable. Guys, para just a disclaimer, the script that we will use in this video is a paid script. If you want to buy it, it costs about 100,000 rupiah. The features are much more comprehensive than the free version. If you want to customize the format, you can also do that, just add the custom format add-on. Later, we will create the format according to your requests. Or if you want a custom project, you just need to add the custom project add-on and we can create a project based on what you want. But don't worry, in this video we've also provided an updated free version of the script, so for those of you who want to use it for free, you can just download it. The link is in the description and the setup instructions are also provided. It's the same as the paid version, so you can still watch the video until the end. Let's not waste any more time, let's get started with the tutorial. Okay friends, now we're going to start setting up this system to input data from WhatsApp to Google Sheets very easily, guys. First, if you want to use all the features, you can buy the script, the link is in the description of this video, or you can also download the free version. The setup process is the same. But as we mentioned earlier, the script we are using here is the paid version, guys. After you get the script, just right click here, then choose extract all and extract it. Once it's extracted, just minimize it. Next, please log into your Google Drive account. Then here we will immediately create a Google Spreadsheet file. Just select new, then choose Google Sheet and select blank spreadsheet. Here we will give it a name, for example, financial report new. Just press enter. After it's saved, please select extensions and choose app script here. Once you're in the app script, you can also give it a name, for example the same name, financial report new, and choose rename, guys. Then please open the script file. Just double click, press Ctrl A, Ctrl C. Then go back to Google Script here, delete everything and just press Ctrl V. After we've pasted it, just choose save, then scroll up, and here the only things we need to fill in are these two, which are the Fonte token, then group API key. First we will fill in the group API key. Open a new tab and here type group API. Just press enter, then please select the top one, which is consolegroup.com. After you get in here, you just need to log in. You can use your Google account, GitHub account or any other email you have. We'll just use a Google account. After logging in here, you can directly select API key, then choose create API key, give it a name, for example financial report, set the expiration to no and then select submit. After it's successful, you just need to copy the API key, then go back to Google script and enter the API key into the script here. We just need to delete it, then press Ctrl+V here guys. After that, now we're going to set up the Fonte token. For those who don't know, Fonte is one of the external services that provides a WhatsApp gateway, but it's also unofficial and already very popular in Indonesia. Fonte is quite stable and already has a lot of users, used by quite a lot of people including companies, institutions and many schools guys. Besides that, there's also a free package where we can send 1000 messages per month, either personally or to groups guys. So if you only need around 1000 messages per month or less, you can just use this free version. But in this video, we will subscribe to the super version, which costs 160,000 per month, because we need the attachment feature. The attachment that we will use later to try inputting shopping receipts, which will then be automatically entered into Google Sheets. But if you don't need this attachment feature, you can just use the free version. To use Fonte, you just need to click the link in the description, and once you're here, just go ahead and register. For example, let's fill in the name as Adyu, then also enter your WhatsApp number. For this WhatsApp number, we recommend that you don't use your main WhatsApp number. Just use your secondary WhatsApp number, because later we'll turn this WhatsApp number into a bot. After that, fill in your email and set the password, then just select register. After the registration is successful, you just need to log in using the number and password you registered earlier. And this is Fonte's dashboard. After entering here, just select device, then choose add device, and we will register the WhatsApp number that we will use as a bot. For example, we name it finance admin, then enter the WhatsApp number, and here activate both personal and group, then just select add device. After we successfully add the device, the next step is to connect it to our WhatsApp. Just select connect, then choose QR, and you just need to scan it. Use the WhatsApp account you want to turn into a bot to scan this QR. Don't use your main WhatsApp, because here the WhatsApp will become a bot account guys. To scan it, the method is the same as logging into WhatsApp web, so just scan the QR code until it connects to Fonte guys. After connecting, the status here will show as connected and turn green like this. You can see it here. With the free version, we have a quota of 1000 messages per month, so you don't need to subscribe if you want to use it for free. But since we need the paid version, we're going to upgrade. The way to do it is just select order, then choose by device. After that, for the package, we select the super one, which supports attachments. Here we just choose 1 month. Then for the order, we select package. We don't need the AI, then just click order. After that, here we just need to complete the payment. Once the upgrade is done, now the account becomes super and we have a quota of 10,000 messages per month. But actually what we really need here is just the attachment feature. If you guys find a WhatsApp gateway that's cheaper and has more features than Fonte, feel free to comment below. We'll make a special script for that WhatsApp gateway, guys. After we're done with Fonte, we just need to copy the token. Just click on the token and enter it into Google Apps script. We just paste it here, then select save, and then we just need to deploy it. Click here, select new deployment, choose setting and select web app. After that we choose a name. For example, financial report v2. Make sure the email here is the same as the email you used for Google Drive earlier and set the access to anyone. After that, select deploy, choose authorize access, click advance and select go to laporan keuangan new. Scroll down, check select all, scroll down again and choose continue. After it has been successfully deployed, just copy the web app URL, click copy, then select done. After that, go to Fonte, choose edit here and paste the web app URL. Paste the URL here guys, just press Ctrl V. Scroll the way down, enable inbox here, scroll again and select update. So now we've finished setting up the data input system from WhatsApp to Google Sheets. You can leave the group and Fonte as well. Let's give it a try. For example, here the Google spreadsheet is still empty, so we just need to run the function. After that, here we'll select the setup all function and just choose run. Later, several sheets will be created in the Google spreadsheet. You can check, you can see here, there are several sheets, starting with the transaction sheet. This is where the data will be input. We can adjust the format according to our needs. If you buy this script and you need different columns, for example, if you want to add a column, you just need to contact customer support and they will help edit the script for free. There's also a budget sheet here, so if you set a budget, it will be entered here. And there's a simple dashboard like this, guys. Later, we'll make the dashboard even more interesting in the next update. Now let's try to input data using WhatsApp, guys. Here you just need to chat to the WhatsApp number that you set up earlier using Fonte. तो इसको बताया कि किस ये रोबोट एडमिन है ये वो व्हाट्सएप नंबर जो है वो फोन्टे के कनेक्ट करते हैं और हमारे फोन में सेव करते हैं नाम एडमिन रोबोट. सो डोंट गेट कंफ्यूज्ड, ओके? देन फॉर एग्जांपल इफ यू वांट टू इनपुट डिनर डेटा, वी जस्ट टाइप इट लाइक दिस: बाय डिनर 50,000 यूजिंग BCA, then just send it. Guys, pay attention, it will automatically be entered into the Google Sheet like this, and there will also be a notification on our WhatsApp if the input is successful. The input format is flexible because we've already integrated it with AI, so it's not too rigid. For example, if we try to input again, we send it again, it will be immediately entered into the Google spreadsheet and the notification will also come through right away like this, guys. Then if you want to know what you can do with the WhatsApp bot, you just need to type help, then send it and wait for the bot's response. It'll send you several features you can use, starting with recording transactions or entering data. Then you can also request a report of the last 10 data entries, daily reports, weekly reports, and you can also check all balances or the balance of a specific account. You can also set a budget, then you can correct the data you have entered or delete the data, that's also possible. You can also interact with the AI. The latest feature here is that it now supports the receipts as well. Just upload them and they will be automatically entered. So that was an update on how to create a data input system from WhatsApp to Google Sheets, which now has even more complete features. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video. Assalamu alaikum.